We'll guide you through how to cancel an Amazon order. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this on a computer or a phone. We're starting a computer and the second part of the video is going to go and be on the phone. So perhaps you went and accidentally ordered something. I've been in the position of where I'm just sort of reading things through and looking at my delivery options and I accidentally order it. Maybe you went and found that you don't actually need it anymore, or there's another reason why. We're going to guide you through how you can go about cancelling it. So make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part. So it's important to note you should do this as soon as possible after placing the order, because Amazon can otherwise start preparing things and you need to do it as soon as possible, essentially. Otherwise, it may still come and you'll then need to go and return it. So what we need to do is once you're on the Amazon website, you can come to the top right where it says hello and account and lists, and you can go and click here like so. So you're then brought to this page, you can see some different options. What you need to do is come to the option your orders and you want to go and click here, go and wait, and you're then going to go and see your orders. Now what you want to do is go and find the order you want to go and cancel. You can go and see here, I ordered some USB adapters. I decided I no longer want these. So now to go and cancel this, what you need to do is come over to the right and you need to go and find the option for view or edit order, and we can go and click there. Now you can come down and you want to go and find the option for cancel items just below track package. You can then choose what you want to go and cancel. You can choose a reason, that's optional, and you can then press request cancellation. Go and wait, and now it was successfully cancelled. If you press view your orders, it will come back here and you can see it was cancelled. It's that simple. Here we are on a phone. So the same thing applies. Make sure you do this as soon as possible. What you need to do is head down to the bottom row and go and find that user person icon to the right of home. That will bring you to this page here. At the top, you want to go and find the option for orders and go and tap there. Now, what you need to do is you need to go down and find the order you want to do it with and go and tap on it. Now, just below the ordered row of options here, press cancel order. As you can see right there, select the items you want to cancel, give a reason if you want, that's optional, and you can then press request cancellation. Go and wait, and you can go and see that was successful. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.